Artificial intelligence, or AI, is simply a way to make computers think and act like humans. Imagine a smart machine that can learn, understand, and solve problems. That is AI in a nutshell. It is a field of computer science that builds these smart systems. AI is not just robots like in the movies. It is in many things we use every day. It is how your phone recognizes your face. It is how Netflix suggests a movie you might like. It is how a voice assistant like Siri or Alexa understands what you say. AI lets computers do tasks that usually need human brains. The most common way AI works is through something called machine learning. Think of it like teaching a child. You do not write a rule for every single thing. Instead, you show them many examples. AI systems learn from massive amounts of data. This data is an example. For example, to teach AI to spot a cat, you show it thousands of pictures of cats and not cats. The AI uses algorithms, which are like recipes or step-by-step instructions. These algorithms look for patterns in the data. When the AI sees a new picture, it uses the patterns it learned to make a guess or a prediction. Was that a cat? The system gets feedback. If it was right, it strengthens that pattern. If it was wrong, it adjusts its patterns to get better next time. This constant learning and improving from data is what makes AI so powerful and adaptable. It is all about learning from experience without being specifically programmed for every single possibility.